Okay, last question for exam 3. We have a 3-pin coral is to be built for gardening. The outline of the coral forms 3 identical adjoining rectangles. If you need to construct an area of 900 feet squared, what are the dimensions of the coral to minimize the amount of material needed? So we know that our area is 900 feet squared. So our primary equation will be our perimeter, because that's what it's asking us to minimize, our material. So primary, and that's what we need to solve. So which makes sense to have it as primary. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4y's. And then our secondary will be area, x times y. So now we need to find, so the outline of the coral forms 3 identical adjoining rectangles. So 3, okay. So we need to find, it says 3 identical adjoining rectangles, 3 adjoining rectangles. So we know that our area is 900. It said 3 identical adjoining rectangles, 3x. So 3xy. So now we need to solve for x, because we need it in terms of one variable. So we're going to have, you can do either one. You can do x or y, but in this case, I will be doing y, or I mean x. So now we're gonna plug this back into over here. So 6, 300 over y. So we're gonna go ahead, 6 times 300 is 1800 over y, plus, oh, my y's look like an x. Let me fix that. Oh, okay, what am I doing? So we have 4y. So this is our p, sorry. Perimeter. So now this is where we derive it. And now we set our derivative equal to 0 so that we can find our dimensions. So now we solve for y. So we can go ahead and isolate, or we can, sorry. Okay. So we're trying to isolate y squared, right? Let me not confuse myself. So let me just, so 450. So then now, if we plug in this y into our x, or, yeah, plug this y back into that, so we get 300 over 450 equals x. So you can go ahead and say the dimensions of the coral to minimize the amount of material needed is this one, and this one is 300 over 450 feet by 450 feet. Thank you.